Hello and welcome to softwarelatest.com. My name is Chris Watts and I would like to introduce you to a software application developed by Belight software. It's called ArtText 2. Let me show it to you now. ArtText 2 loads very quickly, and the first thing that you see on your desktop is this template gallery. In the template gallery we see that there are headings, buttons, icons, logos and any recent projects that you have undertaken. By selecting, for instance, buttons, you will see lots of ideas that you can edit and customize, and the same goes for headings, icons, logos as well. But if you'd like to start a blank project, simply select the new blank button. Immediately presented before us is the main workspace area of ArtText 2. Because we have selected a new project, automatically by default we have the words ArtText. By double-clicking the text, it presents us with a layer content box where we can adjust what text we want to put in. So I'm going to type my own text in here. Software latest. And as you can see with any type of text, we can actually adjust the justification of that text by simply selecting the appropriate button. We can also adjust the font. We can also adjust the line spacing of that font and also the kerning, which helps us to see in the main workspace area what it will look like. Let's now concentrate on some of the customizations we can make to our project. Along the right-hand side of the user interface of ArtText 2, there are lots of customizations that we can make to the text that we've just typed in. For instance, we can change the color of the text, as you can in most applications. We can apply two types of gradient with up to 3 colors, and we can adjust the intensity of those colors. We can also adjust the shadow and glow effect within the text, as well as outline effect of the text using the stroke feature and controlling the width of that text. We can also apply images to the text so that the image fits inside the text, as you can see here. By selecting the drop-down menu, we can use the Finder window option where we can select another image and apply it to the text, as you can see in the white boxed area. Finally, we can use shading where we got various types of sections of shading that we can use inside the text. By simply selecting one of them, we can apply a 3D effect to that text. Also, as you can see on the right hand side of the user interface, not only do we have an effects tab, but we also have a geometry effect where we can change the look of the text by simply selecting one of these options. We also have a styles tab where we have presets provided by Belight software, so that all we have to do is just change the text inside these styles. So really, when you think about it, there's a great deal that we can use inside ArtText 2. Let's now concentrate on export features. So now we have completed the project in ArtText 2, it's just a question of exporting the finished project into an image file. How we do that is go down to this little button here, Export to, or you can go to ArtText File and then Export. We'll use the button for convenience purposes. Let's select Export to. We are presented with two options, one for the clipboard, which is where you can actually send it to the clipboard and then edit, paste in another application, or you can export it as a graphic file. That is exactly what we're going to do. And as you can see, it defaults to PNG. That means that it will be exported with an alpha channel, which means that it will paste into any background, just the text only, not the white background. We're going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Software Latest. And we're going to export it to the desktop. So let's click Save. Now we have that, we can now double click that and open that up in Preview. By selecting Edit, Select All, and then Copy, we can now paste it into the image that we want to use. And as you can see here, simply by just moving it around, you can see there's no white background to that text. You can position it wherever you wish, and we'll leave it just there for now. So when you really think about it, ArtText 2 is a simple application to use, and I'm sure you'll find it very useful in your presentational projects in the future. So why not go along to Belight Software's website and download a trial version. Thank you for watching. Please visit softwarelatest.com for more information.